Hey guys, welcome back to Brianna Effect. Hey guys, welcome to Brianna Effect. And we're back with another video. Help out with this introduction now. But yeah, so once again, we're not home. Heading to take some nice pictures. I have work tomorrow, so we won't be out that late this evening. Just have to take some pictures. Close to where we live in, but yeah. Apparently CPAP not cutting grass at the moment where we are, so it's real bushy, so we had to take a little drive away. Okay, so it started to rain, so we're heading back. We're rushing back into the car. Well, let's see the weather, and we're trying to take pictures. Wow. I don't know where we're going and stop. Like every time me and mommy leave home, it is hard to rain. They better I'd walk with the GoPro and we do some swimming videos. Free from a nice night. Yeah, we can't see where the holes are. Yeah, nah, I didn't walk with the swimsuit, but
we might actually do bathing in the rain video. Yeah, we might, because at times
when we finish take pics.
If you see the hole on it, you'll look at the river and the brick hole.
It's to head back west because the east, the weather just getting worse. And we don't want to drive through no sort of flood or nothing. Just spinning top in mud, well, top in rain. Trying to hope that the rain hold up, but wow. So we were gonna come out of the car, but then we started to hear beautiful. So we're driving away from Etihad now. So we're gonna take some pics in this nice location. So yes, here. I'm in another outfit because you would have seen earlier because we took some pics. So we up in another beautiful location. And I'm gonna come out and take some pictures for mommy. So mommy's vlogging for her channel, Victoria Vulture. Gonna take some pictures. At the moment, my crazy mother is busy doing a short video for YouTube while I'm just admiring the beauty. If you drive around Trinidad a lot, you'll know exactly where here is. Guys, so stay tuned for one of my haunted series. Okay, remember I told you guys I wanted to go in one of the buildings somewhere around Trinidad. I want to come here, but I have to come in the night, some flashlights, equipment, and it can't be curfew time. You see the craziness?
Stop her! Come on!
My gosh.
I think I saw her.
You see, the thing is, when nobody have to know we coming up here, that's the thing, because if they only know two little ladies on the way up here in the night, you know, but yeah, it looks so spooky. Let's see if I can get any closer. Ooh. Tell me if you guys see any ghosts or spirits in the background. Yes, lover. Ooh, you guys see? It looks so spooky. We have to come in here and do a video. Just for the vlog. Okay, so we're on our way home now. Finally got some pictures. Once they got some more, but with these kind of people, they have driving around in vehicles and stopping to take pictures of people and following you.
I can take that.
Yeah. We're back at Etihad. Hopefully the food should be prepared now because it wasn't ready the last time. And I just really want the barbecue right here. They're packed now. Okay, so we're walking, going now to get the pigtail. Only because my foot was hurting, I had to come out of the car in my rubber. So shame, but watch. And my outfit does not match my slippers. But I don't give a damn. I want the pigtail, so yeah. So I'm waiting for a burger. I have the grilled. Ah, shit, my receipt fall by. Yes. So I got passion fruit juice, and now I'm waiting for a mini burger with fries, and I have the barbecue pigtail in my hand. Mommy waiting for her sweet potato fries because she can't eat potato. I don't know if all are hearing me, but yes. We're back in the car finally, and I have my bags of food. Yes, my legs are wet because of something, I don't know how. I have bags of food. Finally home. Taking out stuff from in the car. It's about that time. Thank you guys for joining us today. It wasn't really an exciting vlog because of the rain. But see what? Thanks for still joining us. This is Brianna Effect. Check me out on Instagram at Brianna_BAGOT and on TikTok at Brianna Effect. Bye guys.